Okay guys, this is video 3 of the Audi 4 Basic. Keep in mind this is the Basic, not the complete Audi 4. So today we're going to talk about how to change the rotation of the screen. Right now it is in a horizontal mode. When you first turn it on, it's in a vertical mode. In other words, it would look like that and everything would line up. So what you would do is go to Menu, then you would go to Settings, you would go to the Next, then you would use User Interface. On the User Interface, you will see Screen Orientation. You can pick which one you want, click it, then say OK, and it's going to make sure that your screen turns the way you want it. You can also pick the language and the regional settings. So you have auto, Dutch, whatever. I just put regional, language, English. Right now it's showing screen orientation 0 because I already changed my screen and I saved it. So once you pick your screen orientation, whichever degree you want it to be, you press OK. Now you'll have to go back to Menu. You'll have to go to the next screen again, and you want to hit Save Settings. If you don't save settings, then your screen is going to go back to the way it originally was. So make sure you hit that Save Settings. So I'm going to get out of that, cancel. The next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to go to the menu. We're going to go to Settings again, and we're going to talk about the Nav Boxes. And the Nav Boxes are the items you want to put in all those little boxes that have different things. So I select that, and it says wait. So if you see up here, I've got all selected. They're not selected, but it's showing me a list of all of them. And it's just like a little spreadsheet. You kind of scroll down, and if you look on the manual that's on the disc, on the root of this, when you hook it to your computer, you can get a description of what all these mean. But once again, you would click the one you want and click off, if you didn't want it. Once again, you would say OK, and then when you get done, you would go to Menu again, you would go to Next, you would go to Save Settings. Anytime you make changes, go to Menu, the next screen, Save Settings, and then whatever you put would be in there. So I'm going to cancel because I didn't do anything. Also, when you want to go into those nav boxes, you go to Settings, go to Nav Boxes, and when it pops up, you also see an Edit button. So let's just see, I wanted to edit the target name. That's one of the boxes I used. I would highlight that, I would edit, and now it's going to ask me like what color background do I want, what color is the title bar, what color is the data, units, do I want it in color, black and white, the fill, 70%, 80%, that's transparency, so you can still see stuff behind it. But it's also going to ask you the size of the box, large, single, whatever, so you can go in and get normal, which is even smaller, and I got large or huge, and then the text and stuff in there, you can go to single, double, triple, which means lines of text, or excuse me, how wide it is. Up here, lines of text will tell you whatever. So once again, I'm not changing anything here. I just wanted to show that to you. I'm going to cancel and get out. Okay. So you're almost set up. So now you've changed your screen, and once I made those changes, once again, I go to the menu, the next, the Save Settings. So I'm going to get out of this. So now you've changed the orientation of your screen. You set all your boxes up. Once you have your boxes set up, you will do it for map 1 and map 2, each page, and you can just toggle between them. Once you have the boxes set up, you can now just press on the box and hold it, and you can move it around to wherever you want. So just press on and hold it and move it where you want. Once again, when you get done moving everything to where you want, go to Menu, go to Next, go to Save Settings. If you don't, then those boxes will go back to where they were. So I did page 1 first. I went into the settings and did all the things I wanted in page 1 and set the boxes the size I wanted and moved them around and saved everything. Then when I powered back up, I went into menu settings and did page 2. So I hope this helps. You're almost ready to fly. In the next video, we're going to talk about adding a waypoint using the Go To feature and tasks. So I hope you liked it. Please like the video, please share the video, and most of all, subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Bye.